Ferrari's suspension change seems to already be paying off, and we're going to talk about it now. Hello, Pit Lane Report friends. Welcome to another video. I'm Giovanni Mancini, and we're back with more F1 news. I've been trying to make curiosity-based videos, but news keeps breaking in the world of Formula One, so let's dive right in. The saga between Jack Doohan and Franco Colapinto has gained yet another chapter, or should I say, another soap opera. According to reports, you can find the article linked in the description, Alpine has apparently been gathering data from tests in Barcelona with both Colapinto and Doohan to create a detailed report that will help them decide who will be their driver. This means there's a small chance that Doohan could be dropped even before the season officially begins. And if he does start the season, there's a very high chance he won't finish it. This aligns with everything we've seen so far regarding this situation from last year when Colapinto was still negotiating with Alpine. Everything that's been happening since last year confirms that Alpine is doing everything they can to put Colapinto in Doohan's seat. They're compiling data, giving Colapinto testing opportunities, and reinforcing the idea that he's their preferred choice. If Doohan doesn't deliver strong performances, Colapinto could very well take his place during the season. Let's imagine a hypothetical scenario where Doohan performs on par with Gasly. Then there wouldn't be much reason to replace him. But if he's consistently far behind, like Sargent compared to Albon or Perez compared to Verstappen, then it's almost certain he'll be replaced by Colapinto. There's even a possibility that Colapinto already has a contract guaranteeing he'll join the team mid-season. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. After all, we're talking about Flavio Briatore here, and nothing is too far-fetched when he's involved. So, what do you think? Will Colapinto start the season? Or will Alpine at least try to show the world that Doohan isn't performing well before making the switch? Let me know in the comments. Another topic we've been discussing a lot lately is Carlos Sainz and his potential move to Williams. There's been a lot of buzz about this, and another report has come out highlighting the mutual benefits of this move. As we've mentioned before, for Sainz, this would initially seem like a major downgrade, leaving Ferrari for Williams, a team that, according to their own projections, won't be competing for titles until 2030. Add to that their outdated infrastructure, and it's clear why this move might not seem appealing at first glance. But what are the mutual benefits? First, Williams made an excellent deal. As we've discussed in previous videos, they now have one of the strongest and most balanced driver lineups in the midfield. They'll gain a lot from Sainz's technical feedback and his experience with a top team like Ferrari, a team that hasn't stagnated like Williams has in recent years. Sainz brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to Williams, along with strong on-track performance, which is obviously crucial. For Sainz, the main appeal of this move is the opportunity to be the team's #1 driver. He'll arrive as the leader, with status and authority. After what Colapinto did to Albon at the end of last season, Sainz can come in with confidence, as he's expected to outperform Albon. This deal seems to align with everything we've discussed in previous videos. Journalists are echoing the same points, which reinforces the idea that this is a long-term project for Sainz. His contract reportedly includes a clause allowing him to move to a bigger team if an offer comes along, making this a win-win situation. For Williams, this is an exceptional move. They'll benefit from Sainz's technical expertise and leadership, which will be invaluable in the midfield, where the competition is weaker. Sainz has the potential to dominate in this area. Now, the big question is whether Williams can deliver a competitive car for their drivers to score points, or if they'll continue to face issues. Recent reports suggest that Williams' car is on target weight-wise and everything is functioning as planned, unlike last year. when they were overweight and had production issues. Let's hope everything works out for this legendary team, which has the potential to return to the top. Finally, let's talk about Ferrari, another team making headlines early this year, largely because of Lewis Hamilton. As we know, Ferrari is changing its front suspension for 2025, adopting the standard that most teams have already been using for some time. The interesting news here is that, in addition to the car being ready for testing, the suspension tests have reportedly delivered very positive results. This is crucial, especially for the performance of the new generation of tires we briefly mentioned in a previous video. With this in mind, Ferrari has already passed its first test of the season, so to speak. The suspension change seems to be delivering benefits, at least in simulations. Of course, we'll only know for sure once the car hits the track. But, for now, the rumors and leaked information suggest that Ferrari has a lot to celebrate. Italian media outlets are already reporting that Ferrari is a second faster and has made significant gains in the simulator. While we've joked about these kinds of claims before, it's still exciting to hear. So, what are your expectations for Ferrari this season? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. We've got news, opinions, and curiosities every day, so check out the channel for more videos. At the end of this video, you'll see a suggested video and the latest upload. A big hug, thanks, and see you next time.